Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my RankZPresso review. I'm here inside the cloud-based software and today I'm gonna give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of RankZPresso. Now, in a nutshell, RankZPresso, it's a brand new cloud-based software by Moshberry. This cloud-based software contains 7 tools to help you boost and rank your videos on YouTube. So if you are interested in picking up RankZPresso anytime during watching this review video, all you have to do is click the first link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page, scroll down and click on one of these yellow buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page. It could be looking like this or like this. And then you can pick up your copy of RankZPresso. You can do that once this goes live, which is on the 5th of July at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you have to do this before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page. I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses because they are custom made for RankZPresso. These bonuses are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So make sure to come through to my bonus page if you would like to receive all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly. My first bonus is going to be access to VidChomper Pro. VidChomper, it's another software launched by Brendan Mays, where you could go to YouTube to Creative Commons section and grab 2 videos and chomp them up together and upload them to YouTube. So you can get other people's content and then you can chomp these content or chomp these videos together and upload them to YouTube. You won't get a strike or anything because they are Creative Commons. This software does it all for you. If you don't want to make your own videos, if you want the easy route to making videos, VidChomper is the way to go. I'm giving it to you for free. My first bonus is going to be, my second bonus is going to be Octane Pro. I'm going to give you access to Octane Pro, where you can add your YouTube channels right here and basically add the video and it will be uploaded to YouTube as a live video. You can add a video, that pre-recorded video, and it will be automatically uploaded to YouTube as a live video. This will boost your ranking to the top 3 spots of YouTube. So this will make it so much easier for you to rank on YouTube. My third bonus is going to be a hack on how to rank your YouTube videos in 2020. Since I'm giving you Octane Pro, this will be so much easier because all you have to do is run a couple backlinks, a couple of social signals, and your video will be on the top spot of YouTube. My fourth bonus is going to be a hack on how to create high quality videos for your YouTube channel. If you don't want to grab other people's content and you want to create your own content, I'm going to show you a hack on how to create high quality videos for your YouTube channel. My fifth bonus is going to be a hack on 5 ways to make money with RankZPresso. I'm going to show you 5 other ways other than to use this on your own channel and to rank your own videos. I'm going to show you how to make money with the software. And 6 is going to be access to all the vendors bonuses. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra custom made bonuses to help you get the best out of RankZPresso. Now let's take a look at the sales page before we jump inside the software. Here we have a new, there is a much better way. New revolutionary point and click cloud-based app helps you hack video rankings and generate massive and free traffic. Fasten your seatbelt. This is going to be an exciting and profitable ride. We have some bullet points right here. We have the buy button. We have the steps that you need to do. Launch the cloud-based software, enter the keywords, and sit back and relax. We have some ranking proof. We have some payment proof or money proof. And we have some information right here, some testimonials and all that good stuff. You can check out the sales page at your own time. I'm not gonna go ahead and go through the whole sales page. Like I said, you can also land on this sales page depending on the copy. So basically there are 2 sales pages or 3 sales pages. You can check out the sales page at your own time. Let's jump inside the software. I know you are here watching this video for the review or the demo. So basically what I advise you to do is to go to my bonus page and watch the demo video, because Moshberry will explain everything inside the software. I might not cover everything, but he will explain everything in detail. So make sure to go visit my bonus page and check out the demo video to have a more in-depth look inside the software. Basically, when you receive access to this cloud-based area, you're gonna go to your account and click on profile. And what you want to be adding is gonna be your YouTube API key. You're gonna click on get it here, and then you're gonna get your YouTube API key inside of here. I'm not gonna show you on how to get it because there is a support tab, I believe. Let me just go here. Yeah, we have a support tab. Let me just go to dashboard. Maybe we have the video explaining how to do this. Yeah, here's the video. You can watch the video right here. It will explain everything you need to do here. To do first, before you start using all these tools, you have to add your YouTube API key and your channel link. Once you do that, you'll be able to access all these features. So if we go to my videos, it's gonna show you all your videos. You can get in-depth info and you can play your videos. And we have the first tool, which is gonna be the thumbnail spy. You can grab a keyword right here, let's say weight loss, and let's choose the country. I'm gonna leave it at United States and click on find keywords. And hopefully it's gonna find some thumbnails right here. You can view the info of these videos. You can download the thumbnails and edit them. And trust me when I say this, when you grab thumbnails that are made, that are already made by people who are getting tons of views, you want to make similar thumbnails to these thumbnails if you want to get a ton of views, because you need to make a similar title, similar description, similar tags, and a kind of similar thumbnail, and you'll be using the piggyback method. Your video will show up on the suggested bar of that video, and you will be able to get a ton of views. Now let's jump to the second tool, which is going to be the link builder. This is basically a backlink builder. You grab your YouTube video link, you put your video ID right here. Once you put your video ID, you're going to select the number of backlinks. Then you can select what type of backlinks you want to receive. So let's say do follow backlinks. Then you choose the niche right here. And then you put your keywords. I think it's up to 5 keywords. Then you're gonna click on build backlinks. This is gonna help to rank your videos so much better, because backlinks are a huge factor to rank your videos. So I consider this as the most powerful tool inside the software. And if you are considering picking up RankZPresso, I recommend you pick it up just for this tool, because pretty much everything else you can do on other websites, but the link builder is gonna cost you a kidney. If you want to go and build backlinks on your own, it's gonna cost you like $1,000 to get so many high quality backlinks. But for this, you get it for $19, which is a no-brainer. Plus you get to choose what type of backlinks, and you get to choose a niche. which really makes it a no-brainer. If you consider picking up RankZPresso, I recommend you pick it up just for the backlink section. The title generator is going to be the third tool right here. So you can generate titles just from using keywords. Let me just type in weight loss and click on get title from YouTube. So basically we have some titles right here. These are titles generated with the RankZPresso software. We have the description generator. Same thing right here. You type in your keyword, let's say weight loss as always, and it's gonna automatically generate a description for you. You can either download it, copy it, you can view the info about the description and all that good stuff. Now if we go to the next tool, which is gonna be the tag generator, as simple as the other ones. I'm gonna type in weight loss, and then I'm gonna click on generate. It's gonna generate some tags right here. I can select these tags and then click on copy them. I can download them, or I can download all tags without even selecting them. Then we have the keyword generator. It's gonna generate some keywords for us. You can type in keywords like weight loss and it's gonna generate keywords. It's as simple as you can see right here. In these keywords, they will show you the keywords in title that they are shown on the top results. You can check the results and all that good stuff. The next one is going to be the rank checker. Here you can check your videos ranking. Let's say you are running a video for the weight loss keyword. You're gonna put the keyword right here and you're gonna put your YouTube video URL. Then you're gonna click on check ranking. It's gonna show you where you are ranked in this keyword. You can also choose the country. Let's leave it at the United States. You can choose your video and then you're gonna click on check ranking for this video. We have the trending videos. This is nothing special. It's gonna show you the trending videos basically inside of YouTube, depending on the country. As simple as that. It's gonna go to YouTube, it's gonna go to trending section, and it's gonna grab these videos over here. It's gonna give you the information about these videos. If you want, you're gonna click on this button right here. It shows you the info, and then if you want to play it, you're gonna go and click on this button and you can play the video. Here we have all the info about this video. I'm not gonna go and check this video out. I'm just gonna go to the last tool, which is gonna be the backlink report. It's gonna give you reports for your backlinks that you submitted. And like I said in the beginning of the video, these tools are not really special. They might help you rank your videos, but the most important tool inside of here is gonna be the link builder, because it's gonna be a game changer for you. 300 backlinks in a specific niche, it's a huge difference for your video. It will give you the link juice and it will help you rank so much better. So this is the game changer right here. All these tools are not even compared to this one right here. Let's talk about the prices in the upsell. The front end, everything I just showed you is gonna be for $19, and basically you're gonna get all these tools right here that I just showed you, plus all my bonuses free of charge. Let me show you how to claim your bonuses real quick. Once you pick up your copy for RankZPresso, just go to your Warrior Plus dashboard, hover over your username and click on purchase history. Then once you click on purchase history, you're gonna see RankZPresso right here. Once you click on it like this, you're gonna see a button right here that says claim your affiliate bonuses. We have access your purchase, where you can access RankZPresso, and we have the link where you can access all my bonuses. You're gonna find it below this green button. It's not shown here, but once you click on RankZPresso, you're gonna see that button and you can claim all my bonuses free of charge. Now let's talk about the first upsell, which is gonna be the RankZPresso Pro. It's gonna be for $39. I don't know what this is, quite frankly. Maybe they're gonna give you because usually in the front end they're gonna limit you with these search results. So maybe they're gonna limit you when you search certain things like titles. They're gonna limit you to 100 research or to 10 research per day. I don't know. You can check this out inside the sales page and read more info about it. But basically the pro version, you're gonna unlock the software and you can use everything on unlimited. Maybe they're gonna give you the option to add more channels. That will be really cool because you can rank different channels. Then on the upsell number 2, it's gonna be the RankZPresso SEO toolkit. It's gonna be $197. They're gonna give you some SEO tools to help you rank your YouTube video. You don't need these tools. You don't need the second upsell because it's far more expensive. It's $197. Plus, I got you covered in my bonuses. You definitely don't need them. Once you upload your video live via Octane, you upload it live to YouTube and you check out this tutorial where I show you on how to rank your videos using some backlinks and some BBNs and all of that good stuff. You definitely don't need this for $197. The upsell number 3 is going to be the RankZPresso developer or agency license for $47. If you want to sell RankZPresso as your own product, you can pick it up for $47. You're gonna get agency license to RankZPresso. The upsell number 4 is gonna be the done for you traffic, where they basically allow you to maybe put your pixel inside these sales pages and then you can retarget all those visitors. The upsell number 5 is gonna be the RankZPresso reseller rights. So basically, reseller rights, you can sell RankZPresso as your own product. I don't know what the agency license is. I thought that this was the reseller rights, but basically this is something different. You're gonna get developer and agency rights. I don't know what that is. You can check it out inside the sales page. The upsell number 6 is gonna be the Gold Miners Club for $197, where you join the Gold Miners Club for Moshberry, where he's gonna guide you on how to make money online and all that good stuff. The upsell number 7 is gonna be white label rights for ShopZPresso and CashZPresso for approximately $1,497, and there is a down sale for that for $999. I'm gonna be straightforward with you. You don't need any of the upsells. Just pick up the front end because I think they are highly overpriced. 2, you definitely don't need them. I got you covered in my bonuses. You can still rank your videos just using the front end, just using the link builder right here and using my softwares and my tutorials that I gave you as a bonus. You definitely don't need all these extra shiny objects. You need the front end only and you'll be able to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube. I know this review has been a bit long, but I hope it's worth it. I hope you are considering I hope you are considering picking up RankZPresso. Like I said, just pick up the front end. You don't need the upsells. You get access to all my bonuses and all that for $19. This was my review of RankZPresso. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comment section. I will answer you as soon as I see your comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.